Hello everyone. In this, we will understand about secondary research methods. This secondary research method involves collection and analysis of some existing data, which is already being collected or published or produced by other sources. Some of the examples are literature review, meta-analysis, data mining, content analysis, case study analysis, historical research. Then we have statistical analysis of existing data sets. Now we will understand individually what is this literature review or meta-analysis or data mining, etc. Separately, we'll understand that. First of all, literature review. This actually helps researchers to understand what is already known about their topic, including the key concepts, the theories involved in it, what are all the methodologies involved in it, and any findings from the previous studies. By reviewing this existing literature, researchers can identify the gaps, inconsistencies, or any unanswered questions in the current body of knowledge, whatever he has got, anything which is unanswered, so that he can think about doing a research on that. So this process helps the researcher to inform the development of research questions, hypotheses, etc. for further investigation. Then comes your meta-analysis. It is basically a statistical analysis that combines the results of multiple studies to gain a more precise understanding of the overall effects of a particular intervention or any phenomenon. It helps the researchers to draw reliable conclusions, identify patterns across the studies, and generate new insights that may not be possible or feasible from individual studies only. Then comes your data mining, process of discovering patterns or any correlations or any anomalies and other insights within the large data sets. The word data mining relates with our actual mining of any valuable ore where you dig like that. Here also in the data, you are trying to dig to find out these type of patterns or correlations or anomalies in a large data set. In research, data mining techniques are used to extract valuable information and knowledge from vast amounts of data to support decision making, hypothesis testing, and also knowledge discovery. Clustering, basically this type of activity being done in marketing, where you try to find out the market segments or the market structures. So data mining helps you in doing that. Anomaly detection, for example, the extremes, basically the extremes in any data that can be identified. Very useful in fraud deductions in financial transactions and all. Association rule mining. This is about where all people, for example, buying patterns. If people are interested, generally buying with one product, with another product, with a third product, then you can think about making a combo offer based on this association rule mining. These are some of the data mining techniques. Content analysis, it is basically a research method which is used to systematically analyze and interpret the content of textual, visual, or audio-visual data. So it involves systematic examination of communication artifacts such as written documents, images, videos, social media posts, or interview transcripts to identify again some patterns or any themes and meanings within the content. Content analysis is widely used across various disciplines, including communication studies, psychology, sociology, marketing, and political science. Next is your case study analysis. It involves a deep exploration of a specific case or phenomenon with its real life context. When you talk about case study, it will be about a single unit. It can be one single person or a single company or a single district or a single state or a single country also. It employs intensive data collection methods and qualitative analysis techniques to uncover whatever insights are there, identify patterns, relationships. It offers in-depth understanding of complex phenomena, informing theory, practice, and decision making. But there are some disadvantages that it may pose some challenges in terms of generalizing whatever you identified. May not be possible sometimes for generalizing it to other areas. And also, since it involves a lot of efforts, there may be a restriction or limitation in your research requirements also. Next is historical research. From the name itself, we can say it is about going through the past data. So it involves systematic investigation and analysis of past events, societies, cultures, using both primary as well as secondary sources. Aims to understand historical context, trends, and developments, shedding light on the causes and consequences of historical events. Contributes to our understanding of the past, informs present-day discourse, and provides insights for future attempts. The last one is statistical analysis of existing data sets. This involves the examination and interpretation of pre-existing data using quantitative methods specifically. Researchers analyze data collected from previous studies or existing database to identify patterns, relationships, and trends. And it enables researchers to draw conclusions and also testing of the hypothesis and then derive insights without the need of any new data collection. It's cost effective, of course, because you are using the existing data, and it is an efficient way to explore research questions and contribute to knowledge in various fields.